Have you ever heard of the old notion of hire 'em and forget 'em? Well, unfortunately, it's more common than many of us recognize. We've spent so much energy and effort right up front to bring in this particular talent to the organization. And now that they're here, we've now shifted our focus onto other things and we forgot about that employee. And they're left to their own devices to figure out things on their own. If you don't have quality orientation programs, if you don't have quality onboarding programs, if you're not consistently considering how can you make sure that that new hire, that new talent that you spent so much time and effort to bring into that organization is continuing to grow and continuing to have an impact on the purpose and the revenue of that organization, then you are throwing away one of your largest investments. We all know that the overhead, the salaries of employees is our largest cost for most organizations. So let's get what we're paying for by ensuring that the talent is continually updated on their skills, continually receives the coaching and the development that they need to be on target in terms of their performance and having the kind of impact that we've hired them to do. It's a crying shame when I see those organizations who have invested so much time, energy, and money in investing in talent only to forget about them once they darken the door of that new organization. We have to continue to grow and develop our talent to maintain their engagement, to also show that we continue to invest in them because we value them. It will only come around to benefit the entire organization in the long run.